guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use a portable foldable solar panel to charge your cell phone or your laptop or your tablet. I'm going to show you how to use it to charge your devices. So stay tuned. This particular one that I have is the one from Top Solar, and it is a foldable portable panel. It just folds up on the go, and this one is their 200 watt model. Okay, so I'm not going to do like a full unboxing video or setting this up or anything like that, because I do have I do have another video of this particular panel on my channel, so I'll link it here. If you want to go back and check that out, you can see the more specifics on this panel and why I chose it. But today I just want to show you how to use it. It's very simple. It's plug and play, and it's charging my phone right now, so I'm going to show y'all how it works. Okay, so this particular unit has two USB connections and then a USB-C here. These two ports, I believe, are for power stations, because this one right here, I actually have this connection, and it goes into here, and then the other piece of it goes to my Jackery. So I can easily charge my power station off of this. But I can also charge my phone. So I'm going to show you. It's really simple. All you do is just plug it in like you would at home. And then you just plug it in. And see, it's charging. I got it because it'll charge my power station, and two, it also charges other devices separately, so like my phone. So that's what this video is about today. So anything that you can use that charges USB or USB-C, you can pretty much use it with these panels.